Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing a set of pride nails. Now I don't know how many of you know, but June is Pride Month. So I'm going to start off by giving these last three nails a coat of white gel polish. And this white gel polish I'm using is my favourite white gel polish. It is so opaque. Look at that, guys, for one coat. Oh, I just love this gel polish. And this is the Umikk colour U072. Now, I don't know how many of you've noticed, but I have got a tip in the thumb. This is going to be the first set I've done on my practice hand using the thumb. I'm going to go back to doing the thumb towards the end. It just saved me having to keep flipping the hand backwards and forwards. So I've cured them for 60 seconds. Now I'm using this Sexy Mix, which is bright red, colour 1343. And I'm going to do 2 coats of that on the pointer finger. And as always, guys, I'm only going to show you me doing 1 coat, you know, just to keep the video nice and short. Now I'm using an old eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be rubbing some neon pigments into that white gel polish. So the middle finger and the ring finger, I want them to be ombre right down the middle. You can see there what I'm doing. And I just think doing it with pigments is so much easier, so much faster and so much easier to do with pigments than what it is gel polish. And yeah, I just found this so quick and easy to do. Look at that, guys. Ombre, pretty much done. That's it. Now, you're never going to be able to get gel polish ombre that fast. Never. And again, the same on this now, guys. Look at that green. That is a bright, very bold colour. And now I'm going to go in with the blue on the right-hand side, which is a really, really bright colour as well. And look how easy these blend together. I mean, I would have been faffing about with gel polish for a good 20 minutes probably, trying to get that right. And then you got to do 1 coat, then you got to do another coat on top. And yeah, look how easy that was, guys. Wow. Now you'll see on the pointer finger I used the red gel polish. The reason I did that is because I didn't have a red pigment powder. So yeah, that's the reason. If you wondered why I did gel polish on one nail and pigment on the rest, that is the reason why. And on this pinky nail, I'm just going to do a full nail of purple. Now I've pulled out these stickers what Cammi sent me, and I'm going to use these gorgeous rainbow lips. And I'm just going to stick that on top of that pigment powder. Get it as central as I can. And then I'm going to go in with my silicone tool and just make sure it's all nice and flat. So now I'm going to seal all those in with my Coscelia non-wipe shiny top coat. And this is just an old top coat that I use when I'm using it with glitters and pigments, you know, just so I don't ruin any of my decent top coats. Then I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds, and now I'm going to do the thumb. Now this thumb was so awkward, guys, because I had to do it at a funny angle, and oh, I got the right old shakes and everything. It was a nightmare. So I've just applied a coat of the Umikk white gel polish, and then I've just applied a coat of the matte top coat. As most of you guys probably know now, if I'm doing any freehand artwork, I like to do it over a matte surface. And I always like to draw it out first on a bit of paper, and then I can always, like I've done there, transfer it onto the nail. I flip that bit of paper over, draw over them lines, and it transfers it onto the nail for me. And then all I've got to do is paint it. I just find it so much easier to draw on a flat surface, you know, rather than trying to sketch it on the nail, which is curved. So yeah, this is usually the way I'll do freehand now. And there you are, it's all traced out on the nail. So now I'm using my black Modelones gel paint, And I'm using my Akihi detailer brush, and I'm just going to go over them lines. You'll see there, I'm using my gorgeous palette, what Aggie made me. Thank you, chick. I'm going to be adding a tiny drop of these gels, and I've tried to pick out the closest gel polishes what I could to match these pigments. And I only need a teeny tiny bit really, because it's only to do the rainbow colours inside that heart. So that's the rainbow colours all filled in. I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds. Now I'm using the Coscelia non-white shiny top coat again, and I'm just going to seal all that artwork in. Now I'm using the Rosalind gem glue. Now if I was doing this on my own nails or somebody else's nails, I would buff that shiny surface off that top coat, or I probably wouldn't have top coated them at all, to be honest. I probably would have applied the gem glue and then gone over the gem glue with the non-white shiny top coat. But because this is being done on tips, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. It's still going to work the same. I just find that the gem glue would adhere better to a roughed up surface rather than a shiny surface. So I've applied the gem glue to the cuticle area of all the nails. Now I'm using these gorgeous coloured crystals what the beautiful Sapphire sent me. Thank you, chick. And I'm just going to apply the red crystals to the red nail. Then you'll see on this one, on the yellow half, I'm going to be applying the yellow crystals, and then on the orange half, the orange crystals. I'm going to do that across all 4 nails, and you'll see on the thumbnail, I've done one of each colour. But I've only showed you me doing these 2 nails, guys, because I didn't want it to get too long. And that's them all done. You'll see also there, guys, I did go in and I put some caviar beads between the crystals as well. I just think it finishes them crystals off really nicely. So that's everything for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.